Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Ollie. How are you today?
I am good. What about you?
I am fine too. Thank you.
It is a nice morning today.
Yes, the sky is blue.
The sun is shining,
There are a few clouds.
but it is not too hot.
Yes, the weather is good.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. The night was cool.
Yes, it was. The air was fresh.
I opened my window.
That's nice.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes. I like sunny days.
Me too.
Sunny days make me happy.
I like to go outside on sunny days.
Yes. Me too. I like to walk in the park.
Do you go in the morning or evening?
I go in the evening.
That's good. The evening is not too hot.
Yes, and the air is fresh.
Do you like rainy days too?
A little. I like to watch the rain.
Same here. I like to sit by the window.
I like to drink tea when it rains.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Smart. I forget sometimes.
Then you get wet.
Yes. I got wet last week.
Oh no. Did you catch a cold?
A little. I sneezed a lot.
Poor you.
Thank you. But now I am fine.
That's good. Always check the weather.
Yes, you are right.
Do you check it on your phone?
Yes. I have a weather app.
That's useful. I watch it on TV.
That's nice too.
I like to hear the weather report.
Me too. They tell about rain, sun, or wind.
Yes. And the temperature too.
Today it is 25 degrees.
That's perfect.
Not too hot, not too cold. A little. It is nice in December.
Yes. I like to wear jackets.
Me too. And drink hot coffee.
Hot coffee is the best in winter. Do you like snow?
I have never seen snow. Oh. I saw it once.
Really? When?
2 years ago. In the hills.
That sounds fun.
It was white everywhere.
Did you make a snowman?
Yes. A small one.
That's cute.
No. I forgot them.
Oh no.
My fingers were freezing.
You should be careful. Do you like windy days?
Yes, I learned my lesson.
Do you like windy days?
Not really. The dust goes in my eyes.
Oh yes. That's bad.
And my hair flies.
Haha, same here.
I wear a cap.
Good idea. Do you like cloudy days? Yes. The sky looks beautiful.
I like the cool air.
Yes. And no bright sun.
Maybe in the evening. The clouds are gray.
I saw them this morning.
I hope it rains.
Me too. It makes everything fresh.
The trees look green.
The roads get clean. A little. If it's not too heavy.
I like light rain.
Same here. It feels nice.
Big rain makes puddles.
Yes. The roads get muddy.
No, I wear normal shoes.
Careful. Don't slip.